Okay, hey everybody, welcome to Lil Indie 95 channel. And like, I've been getting different things, but one of the things that people at my school always want to know is like my style, because like my style right now, I don't play by the rules at all. Like, one day you'll see me in some stockings, the next day you'll see me in some fishnets, another day you'll see me in some suspenders, another day I'm just gonna throw on a t-shirt and some shorts and head out the door. Like, everybody's all like, oh, where do you get your clothes from? And I'm just like, like the one place that I would never shop at, ever, is Aeropostale, because I just think that store is so played out so much. Like, when I was in 6th grade, yeah, that store is, oh yeah, come on, if you at Aeropostale, you are fly. But Aeropostale is just downhill for me. But that's just my opinion. If you rock Aeropostale, go on ahead. But you won't see me rocking Aeropostale. I maybe have like one sweatshirt in my closet from Aeropostale, and that's it. But like, I hit up all different kind of stores, like Beals. A lot of people like mix up Beals, Hot Topic, Hollister, Abercrombie. I know you guys are like, it's too expensive. It really isn't. It really isn't. For the quality of clothes you get, it's really not that expensive. And then like Icing, Claire's sometimes, it's not Claire's. But Agassi is really good. Agassi is really good. And then like just different, like your little like funky stores that like they don't have in all places. Like, those are where you can get your best kind of stores, like little thrift, not thrift stores exactly, but you can do find some. I got this really cute crown from thrift store. But yes, you can find clothes anywhere, everywhere. And if it's different, if you don't see the next 20 people wearing it, then you know you're unique. Like what I'm wearing right now, what is this? This is not even fitted cap. This is a snapback cap with a scarf and some skinny jeans. That's all I have on right now, and a tee. I'm not trying to be all prep fan. It's just like a cool little whatever outfit. And I think right now girls nowadays, they're too caught on what they're gonna wear, what they are wearing, what they're not wearing. And guys are too. But girls, you have to know something. Whatever you put on, you're gonna look amazing as long as you work it. But yeah, so I'll probably have some more later. But for now, this is Lil Indie 95. Sorry it was cut short, but I was just busy. Follow me on Twitter, Lil Indie 95, LILINDY 95, or hit me up on Facebook, Audrey Irving, both with the I. Yeah, just hit me up and have a great blessed day.